Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 219 for Monday, 23rd of March, 2026. I hope you're all well. I hope you have had a good weekend. I hope you have been able to work your way through and make some sense of the rather sort of eventful morning that we've had in markets. As always, if you're joining us for the live session here or on the YouTube live stream, it'd be great to know that you can hear my voice and that you can see the slides. Always good to know the technology is working in our favor. For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is literally me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next sort of 25-30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, then looking at a few charts of interest, and then a look at the live markets themselves. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing what I'm looking at, which might be of benefit or help to yourselves. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit more help and support, there is a special offer on the VTP Stage 2 Swing trading course and the VTP Stage 3 Intraday trading course. There's a special offer there until the 1st of April 26. It's the kind of end of the quarter, end of the financial year. If you want some more details on that, you can ping me, or that QR code there will take you. But it's a very special offer for basically this week alone. If you've got any questions, ping me. Okay, another one that's in a similar space, I suppose. Ondas, ONDS. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Okay, so in particular, they kind of focus on military communications, sort of drone comms, communications for drones, and that kind of whole narrative has not unsurprisingly been sort of gaining traction over the last over the last few years, which has also accelerated because of the events in Ukraine and of course what we've also seen in the events in the Middle East. A little bit like Universal Machines, it's a small company, a small liquidity. Okay, so what that tends to mean is that you get exaggerated moves both on here on the weekly chart, but also on the intraday moves as well. Okay, and you can see that we've had a fantastic run from last summer. And we ran all the way up to $10. And I think last time we talked about it here, we were talking about how price was pivoting around $10. We came up first touch, we came all the way back down to the 20 period moving average. We popped up again up to 15, came back down, and once again, we're interested. I'm interested here. We are still pivoting around $10, but what I'm intrigued is that this is the blue 20 period moving average on the weekly chart. That is still acting as a dynamic support. But equally, what I'm also intrigued is that, the sort of the highs are getting lower, and I'm also getting a lot of wicks here to the upside as well. So it's a case of, my view would be, yes, we are pivoting, but we're also starting to squeeze. Okay, I would look at this as a bit of a coil building up, and it's a case of which way is it going to take us. Listen, the same with as Universal Machines. If we do get a de-escalation, then I would expect prices to kind of to drop. If we get continuation, all right, well then I would expect defense companies to at least have a little bit of a bump. But I don't think it'll be a big bump because invariably there is still that sort of paradox between defense companies doing well, but defense companies also needing lots of energy. And if energy prices, continue to rise because of continued conflict, well then, as I said, it's a bit of a paradox you get caught in. But at the moment, I see that as coiling up, and you might want to add that to your watch list.